just wanted to show you how the end piece fitted in and how it was actually originally constructed. There's deliberately a gap here, alright, so that it will come out cleanly. Okay, what I did was I just measured across here from on the inside edge, from that corner there to there, and then just cut that piece. Did likewise with this one, measured across from that corner there, not the inside corner like I did the other one, to there, and then just place those two pieces on the inside, that one in there and that one in there, and then just measured across there. I don't think I even used a tape measure for that one. Just when the pieces were in place, just put the piece of wood in and marked it off. Simple as that. Now, just one thing, alright, you notice with the hammer, alright, I bashed this, okay, quite considerably, and the same on the other side, and bent it in so that when this hinges out, right, it fits in without catching. Okay, it's important because that's going to be hinged because it's going to have access to the inside of the panel. We'll show that in another shot later.